Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup HAProxy config and SSL keys for fast failover. Begin by locating the HAProxy configuration file on your server. Typically, this file is located in the /etc/HAProxy/ directory. Use a command line interface to connect to your server. To access the configuration file, use a text editor such as Nano or Vim. Enter the command nano/etc/HAProxy/HAProxy.cfg. Review the content of the configuration file to understand its structure. Next, it's important to create a backup of this configuration file. Execute the command cp/etc/HAProxy/HAProxy/HAProxy.cfg/etc/HAProxy.cfg.bak. This command copies the configuration file to a new file named HAProxy.cfg.bak. Now, let's back up your SSL certificate and key files. Identify the directory where your SSL certificates are stored. Commonly, SSL certificates are stored in /etc/SSL/cert/. Use the command cp/etc/SSL/cert/your_certificate.crt/etc/SSL/cert/your. Do the same for your SSL key file using the command cp/etc/SSL/private/your_private.key/etc/SSL/private/your_private.key.bak. Confirm that the backup files have been created properly. You can list the files in the directory using the command lsl/etc/HAProxy/. Verify the backup files exist by checking their sizes and modification dates. Consider automating this backup process for future use. You might create a script that runs these backup commands on a scheduled basis. Testing your backups is also crucial. To do this, you can restore a backup and confirm that HAProxy functions correctly. Use the command mb/etc/HAProxy/HAProxy.cfg.bak/etc/HAProxy/. Restart the HAProxy service to apply your changes with systemcll restart HAProxy. Monitor HAProxy status to ensure it is running properly. Use the command systemcll status HAProxy. By following these steps, you can easily back up your HAProxy configuration and SSL keys, ensuring quick recovery during a failover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.